Okay, so welcome to N2K soap production and training session. So this evening I want to teach you how to make this foaming agent, this cleansing agent, this super soap. See how foamy it is. Like this. See, and it cleanses well. Apart from the foaming agent, it's a cleansing agent. So it cleanses so well because it contains chemical 1, 2, 3, soda ash, caustic soda, palm kernel oil, bleach palm oil, and then sodium silicate. Okay, so let's get started. Please follow me to the end. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip. Subscribe, like, share for others to also benefit. So we are going to use soda ash. Now this soda ash is 250 grams and I dissolve it in 750 ml of water. Now this is caustic soda. Now the caustic soda is 500 grams and I dissolve it in 750 ml of water. That's 1500 ml of water. Okay, so 500 grams into 1500 ml of water. I have my bleach oil, dissolved melted bleach oil. I'm going to use 2 liters. My PKO, that's palm kernel oil, I'm also going to use 1 liter of it. The color, that is yellow. Chemical 1, 2, 3, 240 ml. Sodium silicate, that's a cleansing agent, and this one is the foaming agent in the soap. Then I have my fragrance, citrulline. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to start by measuring the oil. So the first oil I will measure is the palm kernel oil. I'll measure 1 liter of palm kernel oil. Okay, so let's measure my bleach palm oil. So I'm going to measure 2 liters. 2 liters of my bleach palm oil. Okay. So this is 1 liter cup. So I'll measure 2. 1. 2. So 2 liters of bleach palm oil. Okay. So I'm going to add the PKO, that is palm kernel oil. So with the palm kernel oil, I'm going to add 1 liter. So in all, we are using 3 liters of oil to produce this powerful soap. This hard soap. Okay. So I'm using the spatula to scoop everything out. So after I've measured, I'm going to stir for it to mix. Okay, so that's okay. So I'll add only 10 ml of the color. You see I've labeled it. So all your ingredients, you have to try and label it. You see it looks like palm oil. So if you're not careful and you put it somewhere, somebody will take it as palm oil, which is not so. So try and label your ingredients. Very, very important. And this one, I mixed the 12 grams of oil-based oil-based color into 300 ml of oil, and it is palm kernel oil, so it will not solidify at room temperature. So I'm going to add just about 10 ml of it. That's okay. So I will stir. Okay. So after which I'll add the chemical 1, 2, 3. When you go to the chemical shop and you ask for chemical 1, 2, 3, they will give it to you. That's the foaming agent. It helps the soap to lather well and also cleanses well too. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the sodium silicate. Sodium silicate, that is 80 ml. 80 ml of sodium silicate. So I'm using the spatula to scoop everything out. So for that one, so I'm going to stir. Oh, come on, the soap is turning out to be so nice. Okay. So the next ingredient I'll add. Is my soda ash solution. So I'm adding it gradually. Oh, this soap is turning out to be super. So nice. Okay. So after which I'll quickly add my caustic soda solution. That's the light solution. Okay. So I'll continue to stir. I have my fragrance, so I'm going to add the fragrance as well. This is 80 ml of fragrance. Now, since I don't want it to reach trace level, as I've told you, the trace level is when you raise your spatula, you can draw lines on the surface of the soap. It means all the ingredients have mixed well. That is what is known as trace level. And we have 3 types. We have the light trace, and then the medium trace, and the thick trace. I don't want it to reach thick trace, so I'm going to use my mixer or my hand blender to mix it well quickly so that I'll get the texture that I want. Okay. I love this soup. To stir. If you don't have the hand blender, you can still use your spatula to stir continuously. Look at it, so nice, so beautiful. Now it's getting to trace level. Stir. You continue to stir, then you test. Now this is cold process. This type of process is cold process, or the light solution is cold. I did it yesterday. I dissolved it yesterday. So this is cold process. So it's getting to trace level. But before that, I've already set my mold. Before you start your soap, you have to set your mold. If not, it will reach thick trace that you cannot do anything about it. If you want him to teach you how to make this soap. Contact me on 024 73 22 34. Let's talk. I'll come to your place and teach you how to make this soap. Very, very good, very, very profitable as a stay-home mom. Even men, you can patronize. Okay, so it has reached trace level. It means the soap is ready. Look at how smooth it is. I wish you were here to see. The soap is so smooth. Okay, so I'm going to pour it into my mold, my soap mold. You are not going there with me. I'm going to do it. Next time I'll take you to where my soap mold is, so that you will see how I prepare and how I pour my soap butter into the soap mold. Okay, so please, thank you, my subscribers. Please continue to watch my videos, share, and let others also have access to it and benefit. Thank you very much.